Hi there, Karen with MeLuna here today with a quick review of how to take care of your menstrual cup. There's two different components to taking care of your menstrual cup. One is cleaning and the other one is disinfecting, and they're not the same thing. So cleaning basically removes any kind of dirt or debris or blood residue. Disinfection removes bacteria and fungus at a much different level. And you always want to do the cleaning before you do the disinfection. So one thing we did here is we did not try to market our own menstrual cup cleaning solution. We instead chose something that's readily available in most towns in the United States. We sent it off to a third-party lab and had verified that it's something that rinses completely clean and does not damage the menstrual cup material. So do you have to use the Cetaphil? No, but Cetaphil is the one thing that we had third-party lab tested, and we can absolutely say that if you use only Cetaphil to clean your cup, we have proven that the cup will definitely last 3 years with good care and will not be affected by this detergent. It is a mild detergent. It is not a real soap. Many people feel like they want to use real soap. We don't recommend that, just because real soap tends to leave a residue, and you do not want to leave a residue on your menstrual cup because you'll be wearing it internally, so it's not ideal. If you don't want to use Cetaphil, please do find something that's similar to Cetaphil in that it rinses completely clear and doesn't have any negative effects on the menstrual cup material. So cleaning, super easy. Running water if you're out and about. If you're at home or have access to your Cetaphil, cleaning with water and mild detergent like Cetaphil. That's your cleaning routine, and you would do that about every 8 hours when you change your cup, or more frequently if you change it more frequently. So every 8 to 12 hours you want to clean the cup. That is cleaning. Disinfection can be done two different ways, and we have included that in our basic beginner kits, where we have one that we titled hot and one that we titled cold. And we should have called it something else because it really confuses people that are shopping for the first time for menstrual supplies. But what the hot and cold refers to is the water temperature. So you can do a hot disinfection on your stove with a pot of water. A lot of people have found that they forget about it. They melt the menstrual cup and then it's done. You can't resurrect the menstrual cup once you melted it. So many people have switched to disinfection in the microwave, which is a great idea. You just time it, 5 minutes, hot water. The cup is inserted into a container where it's big enough to where it can float in the hot water. You don't want to seal it, obviously, since it's a microwave, so you just kind of lay it on it like this without sealing it. Time it for 5 minutes, and there's your disinfection. This is our foldable disinfection cup. It's very durable. You can fold it and store it. Do you have to have this to disinfect your cup in the microwave? No, absolutely not. I do a lot of baking, and after a while, my measuring cups are made of glass and they lose the markings. So if you have one of those, put your cup in, water, microwave, works just as well. There's nothing magical about our disinfection cups other than they have a great water volume, they are very durable, and one thing, it is made for the microwave. So this kind of metal ring is not going to affect the use in the microwave, which should be absolutely safe, and it's been tested for that. So no problems with that. So if you order our basic beginner kit and it's the hot kit, it will include this one. Larger water volume and perfect for microwave. So a basic beginner kit would come with your cup, with your cleaning brush, and with your Cetaphil. If you choose the cold kit, it comes with the smaller one. It fits any kind of MeLuna menstrual cup plus 100 milliliters of water. And why that is important is that each mini Milton tap requires 100 milliliters of water. It's not a great idea to buy the larger foldable and then get the Milton tubs, unless you don't mind spending twice as much on the Milton tabs, because it has a much higher water volume. So that means you don't get away with just one tap. You will have to have 2 or 3 taps to disinfect in that larger water volume. So our cold kit comes with the smaller cup, and it comes with the Milton tabs, and then you use 1 tap per disinfection. If you use hot disinfection, it's more likely that you bake stains into the material, because heat promotes staining. So it's very important that your cup is completely clean and all of the blood is removed before you disinfect it via hot disinfection. If you ever do get any staining, hydrogen peroxide for 5 to 10 minutes will work great. One thing to remember is that if you have an open bottle, like if you get the bigger bottles, have an open bottle, hydrogen peroxide, once it's exposed to air, it turns to water. So if you have an old bottle that's been opened, it may no longer be effective. And that is our quick rundown of cleaning menstrual cups. It's not hard at all. You have choices to either do hot disinfection with boiling water in the microwave or on the stove, or you can use the Milton tabs and use cold water, and that's very convenient too. You just need to make sure you get the right ratio of taps to water to make this work. I also brought along this little bottle of Sliquid. It's something we carry here in the store, but any kind of water-based lubricant will work. If you're new to cups and you feel like you need a little bit of help with the insertion, do use water-based lubricant. Don't use coconut oil or mineral oil or any such thing, because oils can damage your cup. They can lead to discolorations or they can soften the material. So don't use any oil-based lubricants. I hope you found this helpful. If you're new to cups and you just want to get it all together in a package deal, we certainly have lots of basic beginner kits ready for you, and you can choose from them, or we can help you pick and choose from different products on our web store. But if you just want the cup and then purchase things on your own, we specifically chose this product because it is so easily available and you don't have to keep ordering from us. You can take care of your cup for many years without always having to come back to us. Of course, we love to have you back in our store, but we don't want you to be dependent on us to care for your cup. So if you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe, and we will have many more helpful videos coming out in the near future. If you have any suggestions, let me know, and I hope to see you on our website soon. Thank you.